مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, we continue learning common verbs in Arabic. And as usual, I give you the verb in the past tense, present tense, imperative, as well as verb and noun. Shall we start today's lesson with the verb to go? And that is ذهب. Past tense, يذهب. Present tense, اذهب. And that is imperative. To a woman who say اذهبي. And then the noun is ذهب. ذهب, يذهب, اذهب, اذهبي, ذهب. We can simply say هيا نذهب معا إلى المقهى. هيا نذهب معا إلى المقهى. Let's go together to the cafe, shall we? Yes, that would be nice. سأذهب معك. سأذهب معك. Yes, I'll go with you. سأذهب معك. If you say اذهب عني, go away from me. اذهب عني, because we use عن here. اذهب عني, that means get away from me. But if you use be, like اذهب به إلى الطبيب, that means take him to the doctor. اذهب به, because of preposition be. Okay. Next verb, and that's verb to travel. And that is سافر, past tense. يسافر, present tense. سافر, travel. To a man, to a woman, it says سافري, travel. And the noun is سفر. سافر, يسافر. سافر, سافري, سفر. سافرت إلى مصر الشهر الماضي. سافرت إلى مصر الشهر الماضي. I traveled to Egypt last month. الشهر الماضي. Lucky me. And the next verb would be verb to depart. And that is غادر, past tense. يغادر, present tense. غادر, imperative, masculine. غادري, imperative, feminine. And the noun is مغادرة. Okay, غادر, يغادر. غادر, غادري, مغادرة. غادرت المطار الساعة 1 ظهرا. غادرت المطار الساعة 1 ظهرا. I left the airport at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. ظهرا. غادرت المطار الساعة 1 ظهرا. ما شاء الله. Next verb is a verb to arrive. And that is وصل, past tense. يصل, present tense. صل is your imperative masculine. صلي is your imperative feminine. And the noun is وصول. وصل, يصل, صل, صلي, وصول. Okay. وصلت رحلتنا في الموعد المحدد تماما. وصلت رحلتنا في الموعد المحدد تماما. Our flights arrived exactly on time. وصلت رحلتنا. رحلتنا is our flight. وصلت arrived في الموعد المحدد. That means appointed time, at exactly the appointed time. تماما. وصلت رحلتنا في الموعد المحدد تماما. Okay. Next verb, please. And that's the verb to return. We're going to consider two possible verbs here. The first one is رجع, past tense. يرجع, present tense. ارجع, imperative masculine. ارجعي, imperative feminine. The noun is رجوع. The second verb, which also means to return, is عاد, past tense. يعود, present tense. عود, masculine imperative. عودي, imperative feminine. And the noun is عودة. عاد, يعود, عد, عودي, عودة. Okay. So let's illustrate both رجع and عاد. As I said, there are some subtle difference between the two, but we're not going to indulge in that today. As I said, we can use them interchangeably without being too pedantic. Okay, for instance, we can say متى رجعت? When did you return? متى رجعت? When did you return? Or متى عدت? When did you return? Speaking to a man. To a woman, متى رجعتِ? Or متى عدتِ? When did you return? I can say عدت, I returned, or رجعت, I returned من السفر, from the trip, from the travel. أمس الأول, the day before yesterday. رجعت or عدت من السفر أمس الأول. You can use also this verb figuratively. For instance, if you want to say, oh, he came to his senses. You can say, oh, عاد إلى صوابه. Or رجع إلى صوابه. Alternatively, you can say عاد إلى رشده, or عاد إلى رشده, or رجع إلى رشده. It means the same. He came to his senses. If you want to use for feminine, just say رجعت or عادت إلى رشدها instead of رشده. Two more verbs. Yes. Let's use verb to come, and that is جاء. جاء, past tense. يجيء, present tense. جئ, and that is imperative, masculine. Or جيئي, imperative for feminine. And the noun is مجيء. جاء, يجيء, جئ, جيئي, مجيء. There's another verb which also can mean to come, and that is أتى, past tense. يأتي, present tense. ائتي, imperative for masculine. ائتي, imperative for feminine. And the noun is إتيان. Okay, let's illustrate this. We can say هل يمكن أن أجيء إليك الآن? هل يمكن أن أجيء إليك الآن? May I come to see you now? may I come to you now? هل يمكن, would it be possible, أن أجيء, to come, إليك, to you, الآن, now. So you can use the verb أتى as well, saying هل يمكن أن آتي إليك الآن. هل يمكن أن آتي إليك الآن. Okay. Another illustration, we can say, ما الذي جاء بك إلينا اليوم. ما الذي جاء بك إلينا اليوم. What brings you to us today? What brings you here today? So you can use أتى as well. ما الذي أتى بك إلينا اليوم. ما الذي أتى بك إلينا اليوم. What brings you here today? Explain. Just to come and see you. جئت لأسلم عليك. جئت فقط لأسلم عليك. I just come to greet you. That's all. Okay. Last verb in the category is a verb to attend. And that is حضر, past tense. يحضر, present tense. احضر, imperative, masculine. احضري, imperative, feminine. And the noun is حضور. حضر, يحضر. احضر, احضري, حضور. Simple illustration, we can just say, سأحضر الاجتماع غدا. سأحضر الاجتماع غدا. I'll attend the meeting tomorrow. Inshallah, God willing. سأحضر الاجتماع غدا. Inshallah. Here we are. More verbs for you. Common verbs to add to your list. Continue doing that, inshallah. We will continue accumulating these verbs. And thank you so much for watching. And please subscribe before you go. And send the link for me to those who might derive some benefit from our channel. Thank you so much. And finally, as usual, a reminder that I have a charity called Helping Hands for Education. There's a link below. helpinghandsforeducation.org. We are desperate for your help. Please help us. Small or large, please. We are desperate. And I would like to express my gratitude to those of you who have reached out and made a donation. Thank you so much. I'm ever so grateful. شكرا جزيلا. شكر الله لكم. جزاكم الله خيرا. أحسن الله إليكم. وأدخل السرور إلى قلوبكم. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.